The Mementos of the English Martyrs and Confessors for every day of the year by Henry Sebastian Bowden. March 9th. In Bonds for Christ. Father William Hart to the Catholic prisoners. Let all your thoughts and meditations be on heaven and heavenly things. Let your prayers be ardent, but your actions discreet and well considered. Bear trials with patience. I pray you, for Christ's sake, that you so live and so bear yourselves in all things that the enemies of the faith may be forced to account you, not as relaxed, but as modest and religious. But before all things, carefully preserve the unity of the Spirit and the bond of peace, loving each other with fraternal charity. Let there be no dissensions among you, no discords, for thus will God embrace you with his love, and the angels proclaim your praises. And I beseech you, for Christ's sake, most beloved brethren, daily, nay, every hour, to pray for me, a wretched sinner, that I may finish my course to God's glory. And I will pray for you here and in heaven, if God grant me that grace. Farewell, my most beloved sons. I beseech you to pardon me whatsoever wrong, by chance or negligence, I may have done you. This I have written to you in the greatest haste, when almost overcome with sleep and greatly wearied.